beautiful people, I'm Nancy Ogbebo and you are welcome to my kitchen. Hope you all are doing great. Now let's make this yummy cocoyam soup. So without further ado, let's dive right into the preparation. Okay, so this is my cocoyam. I'll go ahead to wash the cocoyam till it is very clean. Remember, this is a root plant, so it came with a whole lot of sand in it. So make sure you wash it properly, clean, and you are good to go. So I'm gonna do this until I am satisfied with the cocoyam. Next, I'll be bringing them out one after the other. So I'm done with washing. This is my cocoyam, so I'll go ahead to add in water and I'm gonna cook this till it is done. So this is my protein I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna be using goat meat. I have in here goat meat seasoning powder, salt, water, and I'll cook that till it is tender. Next, I'll go over to my cocoyam and it is soft already. So I'll go ahead to peel this off one after the other. Okay, so while doing this, if you see the bad one, make sure you remove it because that one is going to be very strong and it might spoil your soup. Okay, so if it is strong, that means it is bad. So I'm gonna do this until I am done. So this is what I've done so far. I'll continue till I am done, and here I am done. Next, we'll go ahead to blend. So I transferred the cocoyam into my blender, added in water. So I'm gonna blend this till it is very smooth. Thank you amazing people for always coming back to watch me. I truly appreciate all your support and I'm not taking your love for granted, okay? And if you're coming across my video for the very first time, hello, you're welcome here. Here we make amazing recipe that you will love. Please subscribe, drop your comments and stay connected. Okay, so I went over to check on my protein. It's doing great. I added in my stockfish and I cooked it a bit, and after a few minutes I came back to check on it and I stirred a bit too. So next I'll add in my crayfish, my pepper, and I'll stir everything together to combine properly. So our soup base is doing well. I added in more seasoning powder. After testing that I needed more seasoning powder, I added in more. So test and adjust your soup base. Next, I'll be adding in my blended cocoyam, and you can go ahead to pound this too, okay? Pound it, it will come out well too. So I'll transfer everything into my soup base, stir everything together. I have a cocoyam soup recipe already on the channel, so this is the second time I'm doing this. The first one, when I did it, it was looking like melon soup. Maybe it was not blended well, but the taste came out so good. So this is the second time I'm doing this on the channel. So I'll stir everything properly. I'll add in my palm oil. I'm gonna stir till I got this orange color soup. Orange color cocoyam soup, and this tastes so good. This tastes, and adjust for seasoning, adjust for salt, your pepper, everything, and make sure everything is properly in place. Okay, so next I'll go in with my bitter leaf, and this bitter leaf I actually cooked it for a while, so the bitter taste will go off. So I'll add it into my soup, stir everything together, and voila, my soup is ready. So this is my final look, and the taste was amazing. So try this recipe and tell me what you think about the video, and I'll see you in my next one. From me is bye.